Hello children, we are doing a poem from the book of stories and rhymes and it is Miss Polly. Okay, now let me recite this poem for you and later on I'll explain you what is the poem all about. Okay, so Miss Polly. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with her bag and her hat, and she knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. She looked at the dolly and she shook her head. She said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. She wrote on a paper for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning with my bill, bill, bill. Okay, so this is the poem. You have to learn this poem in the same manner, in the same tune. Alright, so now what is this poem all about? I know everyone might be having a small doll with you. Okay, the boys might be having some superhero dolls and the girls might be having some Barbie doll or something like that, and you all play with your dolls, isn't it? So here is Miss Polly who has a small little doll with her. Okay, it's her toy. Now this Polly is playing and she finds that her doll has become sick. Sick matlab बीमार हो गए. Okay, so when we become sick, what do? We go to the doctor. हम जब sick होते हैं, हम जब बीमार होते हैं, तब हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. सेम वेज डॉली इमेजिन कर रही है कि उसकी डॉल जो है वो बीमार हो गई एंड शी इज़ कॉलिंग अप द डॉक्टर टू कम फास्ट. ओके, मेरी डॉल बीमार हो गई. आप लोग खेलते होंगे ना, यू ऑल माइट बी डूइंग लाइक दैट, यू ऑल माइट बी प्लेइंग व्हेन योर डॉल इज़ बिकमिंग सिक. कॉल अप टू द डॉक्टर और यू माइट प्ले एज इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू द डॉक्टर. आप डॉल को लेकर के, जैसे मम्मा आपको डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाती है, सेम वेज यू माइट बी इमेजिनिंग एंड प्लेइंग दैट you are taking your doll to the doctor. Similarly, here Polly is calling up the doctor. Okay, she had a doll who was sick, so she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. Doll को देखने के लिए डॉक्टर को जल्दी से फ़ोन करके बुला लेती है पॉली. Now the doctor came with her bag and her hat. What is the doctor carrying with her? She's carrying a hat. She's wearing a hat and she's also carrying her बैग. बैग में उन्होंने अपना सारा स्टेटोस्कोप, इंजेक्शंस वगैरह डाल के रखा रहेगा. एंड शी नॉक्ड ऑन द डोर विद अ rat-a-tat-tat. नॉकिंग ऑन द डोर मतलब डोर पे टक 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 करना. ठीक है, हम किसी के घर पे जाते हैं तो बेल बजाते हैं, वी रिंग द बेल, बट हियर द डॉक्टर इज नॉकिंग ऑन द डोर, टक 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 कर रहे हैं. एंड उस टक 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 का वॉइस इज rat-a-tat-tat. दैट इज हाउ वी से इट इन राइमिंग वर्ड्स इन इंग्लिश. ओके, rat-a-tat-tat मतलब वो नॉक नॉक जो साउंड है, द पोएट इज ट्राइंग टू शो दैट साउंड. ओके, नाउ शी लुक्ड एट द डॉली एंड शी शुक हर हेड. नाउ द डॉक्टर, कैन यू सी इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर एट द बॉटम ऑफ द पेज, डॉक्टर इज चेकिंग द डॉली. ओके, द डॉक्टर कम्स, वो अपने डॉली को चेक कर रहे हैं एंड चेक करने के बाद डॉक्टर तुरंत अपना हेड शेक करके बोलती है, शी सेड, मिस Polly, put her straight to bed. Put her straight to bed means let her sleep, let her take rest. बेड पे सुला दीजिए उसको बहुत बुखार है. डॉक्टर ऐसा बोलती है पॉली को. Your dolly is very sick. Put her straight to bed. Don't play with her. Put her to rest. Now she wrote on a paper for a pill, pill, pill. She wrote on a paper. पेपर पे उन्होंने लिखा. हम जब डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो डॉक्टर अपने को प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिख के देते हैं, राइट. जो भी दवाइयाँ हमें लेनी है, कितनी बार लेना है, कितने दिन तक लेना है, वो सब डॉक्टर हमें लिख के देते हैं. ओके, यू कैन आस्क योर मॉम, शी माइट टेल यू व्हाट इज़ द डॉक्टर्स प्रिस्क्रिप्शन for the last time you visited the doctor. So here also for the doll, the doctor is writing down a prescription. She wrote for a pill. Now what is a pill? Pill is a small tablet. Okay, you all are small children, so whenever you all are feeling sick, you all become sick, doctor might be giving you syrups. आप लोग छोटा सा सिरप छोटे कप में पीते होंगे, medicines. Okay, but when you all grow up, or if you see your mom and dad, mama daddy को आप देखोगे तो they are eating small medicines or small tablets. Okay, though that is called as a pill. Tablet को another word is called as pill. P-I-L-L, pill. So she wrote on a paper for a pill. Okay, I'll be back in the morning with my bill. Now when you go to a doctor is giving us a service. ओके, डॉक्टर अपने को चेक करता है, हमारी बीमारी क्या है वो चेक करते हैं. देन ही राइट्स अस मेडिसिन, हमें बोलते हैं ये दवाइयाँ खानी है या फिर ये टेस्ट करना है. सो वो अपना सर्विस हमें दे रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो वेन एवर समबडी इज़ गिविंग अस अ सर्विस, वी आर सपोज टू पे हिम सम मनी. ठीक है. किसी का सर्विस हम फ्री में नहीं लेते हैं. सो वेन एवर वी आर टेकिंग समबडीज सर्विस, वी आर सपोज टू पे देम बैक. So here the doctor is saying, I'll come back tomorrow morning. मैं आज आपसे पैसे नहीं ले रही हूँ. I'll come back tomorrow morning and that time you can pay my bill. Okay? Bill is nothing but the payment. कितना डॉक्टर को पे करना है पॉली को. She'll say, I'll tell you tomorrow morning how much I have to, how much is my bill. Okay? So this is the poem. I'll recite the poem once more for you. Miss Polly. So whenever you say the poem, you have to first say the heading. Okay, what is the heading? The story, poem का नाम. Miss Polly is the name of the poem. So you will say Miss Polly. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick. Now here one more thing I want to tell you is the rhyming words. Okay, now S-I-C-K sick and Q-U-I-C-K quick. These are the two rhyming words. Can you see I-C-K? Both the words are ending with I-C-K. है ना? So I-C-K वाले जो भी words हैं, sick and quick. These are the two rhyming words. Similarly, in this poem, there are many other rhyming words. Let me tell you which are they. The doctor came with her bag and her hat. She knocked on the door with a rat-tat-tat. Now, H-A-T, hat. Okay. Last line में R-A-T, rat and T-A-T, tat. So, 80 words, all 80 words. So, these are also called as the rhyming words. All 80 words साथ में मिला करके rhyming words. So, H-A-T, hat, R-A-T, rat and T-A-T, tat. So, these are the three rhyming words. One second set of rhyming words. Moving on. She looked at the dolly and she shook her head. Now here L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked है, लेकिन the base word is L-O-O-K. Okay, so L-O-O-K look and S-H-O-O-K shook. Again two rhyming words. O-O-K वाले words हैं ये. So L-O-O-K look and S-H-O-O-K shook. These are the third set of rhyming words in this poem. Okay, then she said Miss Polly put her straight to bed. Okay, यहाँ पे H-E-A-D head and B-E-D bed थोड़ा sound proper होता है, rhyme करते हैं, but we are not calling them as rhyming words because it is H-E-A-D and the other one is B-E-D. So E-D words में नहीं आ रहा है H-E-A-D, so it is not rhyming. Alright, so we don't take that as a rhyming pair. Next, she wrote on a paper for a pill, P-I-L-L, pill, and I'll be back in the morning with my bill, B-I-L-L, bill. Again, those two are also the rhyming words, set of rhyming words. So, P-I-L-L, pill and B-I-L-L, bill. So, one more set of rhyming words we have here. Okay, so you have to learn this poem as it is, as I sang it for you in the same tune for your exams. Alright, thank you.